Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are installing our BMC fog light kit on our F250 Tremor. First, you're going to start by taking your old fog light cover out. As you can see, Dave is working on that right now. It's going to pop out of your bumper there, then you're going to set that aside. Then you'll remove the clips off the old fog light cover, and you're going to transfer those to your new fog light cover provided by BMC. Once you have those transferred, you're then going to set that aside, and we'll use that later. Next, you're going to go behind your bumper and you're going to unplug your old fog light, and you're going to remove the bolts that are holding in your old fog light. And once the bolts are out of the bracket, you're then going to remove the bracket from the back of the bumper, and you have officially removed your old fog light. And once you have that main bracket removed, you're going to have a secondary bracket here that you're also going to take the bolts out and remove out of the way for now. Could be a little tricky getting this secondary bracket out here, so be careful. Make sure you're using the right tools to get it out without damaging your bumper. Now that that's out of the way, we're going to take the clip nuts off the old bracket and we're going to put them on the new bracket provided by BMC. Once you get that done, we're going to go ahead and bolt that bracket in using the old mounting points for the old fog light. And once you got all that dry fit, you're going to go ahead and tighten those bolts down, because all of your adjustment is going to be in the fog lights that come with the kit. Once you got that bracket tightened down, you're going to use a ratchet wrench to adjust the adjustment bolts on your fog lights to make sure they're exactly where you need them when you're driving down the road. And if you need to, what seemed to help us the most when aligning these fog lights is using the fog light cover to really get these things exactly where we need them. And now that we got those aligned perfectly, you're going to go ahead and use the old meat mallet here and pop this new fog light cover in, and that's a job well done. So now that we've got the lights installed, we're going to need to make sure that they have the juice that they need. BMC provides a wiring harness that is going to be unique to your truck. It's going to be a plug-and-play experience, and it's going to be a super easy install to get those lights working perfectly. And now that we've got that wiring harness installed, we're going to zip tie this up and get it up out of the way so it stays nice and safe behind the bumper. And now that you've done it on one side, just go ahead and repeat these steps on the other side and you're all good to go. If you guys are interested in the fog light kit from BMC for your F250, hit the link in our description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. We'll help you get exactly what you need for your truck.